I'm the only one that gotta live this life, so I'ma live it. I couldn't wait to see the day that I can shout without no limit. I made M's in the pandemic, I thank God that I'm still in it. I watched bro run up some shit for real inside a Honda Civic. I done double this shit up, I'm trying to get the triple digits. I don't got no time for.
Hello.
I'm 18 years old.
Why you tell me that?
Does that bother you or not?
Huh?
Does that bother you?
I mean, no.
Exactly. Perfect.
So y'all both 18?
How old are you?
I'm grown. Yeah. Y'all single?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's your type?
A tall man.
What's your name? Hey.
I don't got a name.
What's your real name?
What's your name?
You don't have a name?
Nah.
How?
How old are y'all?
18.
Okay. What's y'all type?
What, guys?
Okay, so y'all y'all all three snow bunnies.
Well, I know for sure I am.
Y'all know I love my snow bunnies.
Everyone can speak for themselves, though.
Tight shit. So can I have all three of y'all though?
Yeah, he's in Las Vegas. I just was in Vegas. What you know about that?
Damn.
So can I have your name now?
Shit, my name Daddy.
She call me daddy, I don't even know her mama.
Hello?
Hello.
How you doing?
Why you start smiling?
Because I'm a smiley person.
Oh, okay. Is it just like that my presence just makes you happy? Okay. Where are you at right now? Why are you outside?
Because I'm smoking.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I like your red hair.
Thank you. I wanted
Yeah.
to change it up. I wanted to do something bright, and this is what I chose.
Okay. Yeah, can I see like the outfit of the day?
The outfit of the day.
Yeah.
This is the outfit of the day. It's literally just a tank top and some Hello Kitty pajama pants.
Okay, tight shit. Yeah, but like you got a boyfriend or anything? Okay. Yeah, I mean, I feel like me and you would like look good together. You feel me? Yeah.
Would you say like you're into fashion or no?
Yeah, I be putting that shit on.
Stop the cap.
Okay, then I think we'd look into it.
Yeah.
I just had to confirm.
Yeah. Shit, well, slide me the gram.
Me and you are meant to be. I'm not making this shit up.
I said, yo, no, I said the popo gon' be knocking at your door. You're a door. I said, I said you're a door. You're a door. Not mine.
Get up and dance, bro.
Alright, come on, get up. You gonna get. Oh. Alright. Said the popo gon' be knocking at your door. I said the popo gon' be knocking at your door. I said the popo gon' be.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Hello.
How are you?
You said how old am I? How old do I look?
30.
Damn.
Oh, I love your accent.
Thank you. Where you from?
I'm from Vegas.
That's cool.
Yeah, where y'all from?
I was born in London, but live in San Antonio.
I'm
from Mexico, but I live in San Antonio.
How old are you?
17.
Yes. Well, she looks older than me.
Wait, so you 17 too?
No.
How old are you?
I'm a little bit over 18.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But my accent, my looks make
Yeah, but like you fine though.
me?
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Do you have like Instagram or something?
Yes, sir!
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, you kind of give me like SZA vibes.
SZA vibes.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
It is a good thing. Thank you.
Yeah, that's your kid over there, son.
That's my little brother. That's my dog snoring. And I'm just out here because the TV's out here. And my dog get my power cord.
Oh, okay.
That's orange.
Yeah, I feel like, me and you would like look good together.
We look good together. Yeah, okay. Oh, you tatted too? Okay.
Yeah, you can take shit.
But like, where you from?
I'm from wherever you from.
You from Massachusetts?
Yeah.
Okay. But like, what you do with your hobby and shit like that?
I just be like trapping. I just be scamming and shit. You feel me?
It's fun enough.
Oh, you be doing the same thing.
I was raised on that.
Okay, yeah, I feel with that.
If I show you my bedroom, it would be understandable. But it's hot as fuck in there. Can't have no AC. So like, this is my like little hobby.
Okay, you be coloring and shit.
Coloring.
Well, drawing.
Oh my god, damn! This is color.
Yeah.
This is coloring. Honestly, I'm not even done with this shit.
Yeah, I know I can.
Let's see if we can do this right now. Right there. Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh no. Got too many people watching me. Bye.